In this lesson, we're going to multiply a number by a decimal, and the decimal is a specific decimal. It's 0.01. So if we have a problem like this that says multiply 373 times 0.01, what's the answer? And there's a quick way to do this, and it's a trick that you should remember forever. So step 1, remember that 0.01 is the same as 100th, and it is written as follows. 0.01 is equal to 1 over 100. So now if we rewrite this, instead of putting 0.01 here, we're going to put in 1 over 100. So this is the same as having 3.73. It's basically moving the decimal point in 373 two spaces to the left. So because we have 100 and two zeros, we take our decimal spot that's at the end of 373 and we move it twice. 1, 2 to the left, okay? And you remember it's 2 times because there's two zeros here. If you don't want to go through this step, you don't have to. What you could do is you could see here that there's two decimal spots here, 1, 2, and so you move it twice here, 1, 2, and it becomes 3.73. So 373 becomes 3.73. And like I said, you move the decimal that's at the end here twice, 1, 2, and it looks like this. Here's your decimal, you move it 1, 2, and you put it here, and it becomes 3.73. You just need to remember that 0.01 is the same as 1 over 100, okay? And another easy way to remember that is that 1, because it's divided by 100, you move the decimal over twice to the left. 1, 2, and you put a dot here, and then you fill in your empty egg crate with an egg, which is the 0, and then you get 0.01. And that's how you do that. So don't worry if you don't get this right away. There's nothing wrong with repetition. Just watch it again. And I have links to other videos of mine that are like this if you need extra help as well. You could download the ebook and you can follow along this exact lesson in the ebook as you watch the video. And just make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And thank you so much for listening.